Yep.
Okay. So, considering these assumptions, right, now if we go plug and chug these numbers, Dimitri's numbers, right, number one is going to be anywhere, we're going to take that 10%, right, within that 18,000, so we're going to say around 360 per year in cash back. Two, so this is where the wholesale and retail, you do a little bit of math, right, you're going to take this 5,200 BV per year, and since it's 85 cents on the dollar margins per exclusive product to dollar, right? You're going to take 5,200 and divide it by 85. Can someone do that real quick for me?
Percent or just 85?
Point.
0.85.
I guess while they're doing that, you said the 360.
6,117.
Okay. Right? 6,000 what? 117?
Yeah, so it's a difference of $900.
So so don't worry about the difference, just divide whatever this number is by 0.85. And then versus the retail, now you're going to take this number and you're going to multiply it by 1.3.
Yeah. 7,952.
7,952. What is that difference?
That difference is going to be 1,836.
6. Okay. And lastly, right, BV and IBV. So if Dimitri's doing 5,000 BV, 5,200 BV alone, right, divided it by 2, because there's two sides in our pay plan, an A and a B, alone, theoretically, right, Dimitri would be making what? How much in commissions? 2,400 and 2,400, how much do we get?
600.
So when you add all this up, add 360 plus 1836 plus 600.
2796.
So now you're showing, all right, Dimitri. So again, whether you're running this business and not taking this theory, right, and putting it into reality for you, I'm showing you right now, just based on what you're doing every single month, changing your products, now you'd be earning this $5,200 in BV, 5,200 BV a year. And what that means for you, just in the form of cash back, you get again 360 back. The wholesale prices of this, because you're a distributor instead of a customer, instead of paying retail prices like everyone else would, around a $7,900 difference, this would be a $6,100 for you, which would save you $1,800 a year. And then at the same time, also being a business owner, making you eligible for commissions, you'd be making at a minimum of $600, totaling on a yearly basis, you'd have $2,700 in savings, whether you're leaving on the table right now. So right now, technically, by not being a part of the business, you're losing $2,700 every year. Now imagine what happens when we show that you know this A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. What if we took this 600, this variable, because this is 1, right? But what happens when we multiply that by 10? What happens when we multiply that by 20? What happens when we multiply that by 30? By 100? Imagine now, instead of 5,000 BV per year that you do, right? Now when you multiply that by 100, how much do you think 520,000 BV starts to translate into that 600 number? Now you could see how $2,000, close to $3,000 a year for you in savings, as you're building this business and just helping other people convert their spending into earning, could not only change from 600, it can change from 2,700 a year to 27,000 a year, right? To 27,000 a month, because now it starts to multiply, and it's simply doing the same things that you're already doing anyway. There's no sales involved. Imagine though if you actually had a customer base plus partners, how fast this could change too. Wow. And that's it.
Good job.
Yeah.